Do you want to delete Google Gemini history? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to do so. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. Google Gemini keeps a record of your prompts, conversations, and even the files you share. While this can make your experience smoother, sometimes you may want to clear things out, whether for privacy, troubleshooting, or simply starting fresh. In this video, we will show you how to delete Gemini chats, photos, and activity history, plus how to set up automatic deletion so future activity doesn't pile up. And if you ever run into the dreaded something went wrong error, follow this guide that can help you get back on track. Let's get started. Method 1. Delete a specific Gemini chat or upload. To manage your Gemini history on a computer, open your browser and visit the Gemini website. Once you are signed in, click Settings and Help in the bottom left corner. From the menus that appear, select Activity. This will open the Gemini Apps Activity page. On the Gemini Apps Activity page, you will see a record of your interactions. This includes text prompts you have entered, conversations with Gemini, images and files you have uploaded. To remove a specific interaction, scroll through the activity list and locate the item you want to delete. Click the X button next to that entry. When prompted, confirm the action. The selected activity will be removed from your Gemini history. Method 2. Delete Gemini activity in bulk. If you would like to remove multiple interactions at once, click the Delete button near the top of the activity page. You will see several options: Delete last hour, Delete last date, Delete all time, Delete custom range. Choose the option that best fits your records. For last hour and last day, Gemini immediately removes the activity without requiring additional information. If you select all time, you will be asked to confirm before the deletion is completed. Method 3. Delete activity from a custom date range. If you only want to delete activity from a specific period, choose custom range. Select the start date and end date for the activity you want to remove. Gemini will display the interactions that fall within the selected range. Review the list and proceed with the deletion. This option is useful when you want to keep recent conversations while removing older activities. Method 4. Turn off Gemini activity tracking. After deleting your history, you may also want to prevent Gemini from saving future interactions. At the top of the Gemini Apps Activity page, click the Activity setting. You will see two options: turn off, and delete activity. When Gemini activity is enabled, Google may use your interactions to improve its AI services. Selecting Turn Off stops future activity from being saved, although some conversations may still be retained temporarily for up to 72 hours for service-related purposes. Selecting Turn Off and Delete activity removes existing activity and disables future activity tracking at the same time. Choose the option that best matches your privacy preferences. Method 5. Set up automatic deletion. Gemini also allows you to automatically delete activity after a certain period. For that, from the activity page, click on deleting activity older than 18 months. Click auto delete activity older than. You will be able to choose from 3 months, 18 months, 36 months. Don't auto delete. Select your preferred retention period and click Next. Review the settings and confirm your choice. Once enabled, Gemini will automatically remove activity older than the selected time frame. This helps keep your account history under control without requiring manual cleanup. That's how you can delete chats, photos, and activity history from Google Gemini. You can remove individual interactions, clear your entire history, disable activity tracking, or configure automatic deletion to better manage your privacy. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.